Hello everyone, friends on Valor's channel. Today I'll show you how to merge cells in Microsoft Excel. For this, I'll enter some data here, and to merge them, we'll need to select the cells we want to merge. For example, I want to make one cell out of these four. To do this, click the Merge button. Click OK. And there we go. The cells are merged. This is the most basic merge. Now let's say I select this area, and here we can also merge them in different ways. You can unmerge them first, then just merge or merge in center, which transfers the values. So we click like this and merge, and the content gets transferred from left to right, and it centers if we choose the top position. That's it. You can even merge all of this if needed. There. Like that, that's all. This was Valor. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel. See you all later.